Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
After a campaign that cheekily said "Aao karen Chini kam," Indian smartphone brand Micromax is back in the game with two new smartphones. The hashtag Micromax is back was trending on Twitter, while Micromax co-founder Rahul Sharma said the launch is ushering in a new era of Indian smartphones. Perhaps it was to let India know that these were genuine made-in-India products and not just white-label Chinese phones that Sharma had said the phone announcement was happening from a Micromax Rajasthan facility.
हम 2011 से यहाँ पर प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं और माइक्रोमैक्स की 3 फैक्ट्रीज हैं और आज मैं जिस फैक्ट्री में यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ हूँ ये भिवाड़ी राजस्थान में है और मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए भी हूँ ताकि आप सब लोगों को ये बता सकूँ कि इन मोबाइल कहाँ बनते हैं, कैसे बनते हैं और किन किन टेक्नोलॉजीज का इस्तेमाल करके बनते हैं.
The smartphones were unveiled on the 3rd of November and analysts have welcomed the pricing and phone features as something that can actually compete in the Indian market and take on competitors like Realme, Xiaomi and Itel, all Chinese brands by the way. In Note 1 starts at 10,999 rupees, while the In 1B starts at 6,999 rupees. Interestingly, Micromax is promising a clean Android software experience with no bloatware or ads that you might otherwise find on Chinese phones. Micromax is also guaranteeing security patches and updates for 2 years. Analysts have, as we said before, welcomed the pricing. Faisal Khalsa, founder and chief analyst at TechCark, said, "You don't typically see Indian smartphone brands going all out and satisfying customer expectations in matching product features with a great price. Usually Indian brands would fall just short. But this time Micromax has offered a good competitive price for the given set of product features and specifications. It's too early to say how the phones will work practically, but on paper the features and specs look good." Navkendra Singh, research director with IDC India, said, "Micromax has done well in setting a competitive price that can take on competitors like Realme, Xiaomi, Itel, and also Micromax has done a good job in matching an affordable price to a set of product features that can compete in the market." So far, so good, but what must Micromax do now? For one, stop piggybacking on nationalism. Analyst Kausa says now Micromax must change its narrative from nationalism and promote its story on the strengths of its product and not piggyback on nationalism too much. Micromax, for its part, has done a lot of the promotion for the new phones around nationalism, from calling the phone range the In mobiles to the poem about India on its website. Analyst Singh from IDC said the brand marketing must be on point. The new Micromax should not feel cheap in the hands of a customer testing it out for the first time at a shop. The customer will expect that the plastic back won't feel cheap. Micromax will also have to win over consumer trust, and these are hurdles brands like Realme, Xiaomi, Itel have already overcome. So that's a wrap on India's first Atmanirbhar phones. Given its competitive pricing and not because it's Indian, will you give Micromax a chance to win your loyalty? Let us know in the comment section below. For The Print, this is Regina Mihindukula-Surya. Do not forget to subscribe to The Print's YouTube channel. And as always, keep tabs on us across all forms of social media.